Alright class, so today we're going to look at subtraction regrouping, but this time we're going to look at it with how many zeros?
2.
2 zeros. So that changes some things for us. That makes us have to borrow from a whole different place. Okay? What's my number? 400 minus 234. What's wrong with my ones column? What's wrong with it? Yes.
There's a 0 on top.
What does that mean for me?
You should borrow a 10 from your neighbor, but you cannot because there's a 0 there.
So I know that we need to borrow a 10, but why?
Because you cannot subtract 0 for 4.
Basically, if you have 0, can you take away 4?
No.
No, that's why she's trying to borrow a 10. But then she said, you borrow a 10 from your neighbor next door in the tens place, but what do I see next door?
A 0.
Can I borrow a 10 from 0?
No.
So now what do I have to do? Yes.
Borrow 100 from the 400.
Borrow, take away 100 from the 400. Absolutely. So since she said that we are going to borrow 100, we're going to make that 400 turn into a 300. Okay? We're going to take the 100 that we're borrowing and we're going to give it to the tens place. So that becomes a 10. 10 tens is how much?
100.
Now I have 300 and 10 tens make 100. So 300 plus 10 tens is how much?
400.
It is 400. So did my number change?
No.
No, it's still 400. Now we're going to change it just a little bit. So now we're going to take 110, make this a 9, and we're going to give it to the ones place and make this a 10. Do you see that?
Yes.
Good. What is the next thing that I do? Yes.
You take away 4 from 10.
So what is 10 minus 4, class?
6.
6. So I put my 6 here. What is 9 minus 3, class?
6.
6. So I put my 6 here. What is 3 minus 2, class?
1.
1. So what is the difference in this equation?
166.
166.